Reader mode has a content translating feature with over 100 plus language capacities. This feature allows users to translate the content into their preferred language with just one click. To enable and display the translation button, go to Reader Mode Settings page, General Settings, Enable Translation. Now the translation button will be visible in General Mode and inside the Reader Mode layout. You can customize the translation button styles and colors. To customize the translation button, go to Reader Mode Settings page, Display Settings. From the General tab, you can select Display Post Type, Button Position, Button Size, and Button Alignment. From the Translation Button tab, you can customize the button style, which can be customized from given styles and shapes. Button icons can be customized from given styles and shapes, hence you can also upload a custom logo. Background color and text color are also customizable.